Title bar is located at the top of the window. Exact below the title bar we can locate menu bar, and below the menu bar we can locate toolbar. Title bar is only used to title bar is used to name the file or window. Menu bar we can choose. We can point the menu bar and drag pull down to menu selection action. There are some actions of menu bar. They are file, edit, data, transform, analyze, graphs, utilities, add-ons, window, help. These are some menu bar actions, and they have also some common uses. Now I am going to toolbar. Toolbar present toolbar have two types. They are toolbar shows the SPSS process is ready and also indicate whether the data being filtered, weightage or subdivided. There are three primary windows: data editor window, output viewer window, syntax editor window. The data editor window we can locate at the top of the window at the place of title bar, and the variable view we can see at the end of left side window. After completing syntax output viewer window, we can see a table, frequency table and chart. I am going to session 3, entering data in SPSS. Here we are taking an example of pet survey. Some few questions. First we have to click on variable view tab at the bottom left data editor screen. Each row presents one variable. Each column represents a specific characteristic attribute of a variable. There are in the column few names are there, that is name, type, width, decimal, label, values, listing, column, align, measure. Name, we should write a name in 64 characteristic and without adding a space. For example, happiness. Type we can use by we should first click a right button and go to numeric default, and we can select the numbers. Also we can there right click and there width number and also decimal number. Next is label. Label allow to provide a variable with long, more complete description. In this we can use space also. For example, average level of happiness on scale is 1 to 10. Next is missing, column and alignment. Alignment is having a variables alignment where cells having a data view window that are left, right and center. We can decide where our text will be start from left, right or center. Measurement level. In measurement we can choose any particular number, or also we can choose a particular number 0 to any particular number, or like a 0 to infinity. Setting up a variables. After we should click on data view, then our pet survey data have been entered in the presentation in the window. then we have to save in the data. To save all the data from the survey, go to file, save as, choose the file location, then name the file as a pet survey dot save and select the save option. Then our pet survey document will be saved.
Okay.